I would hope. I hope they do something. Yeah. I think it's worth the purchase.
That'd be worth it. You need to buy that.
Yeah.
That's good.
You didn't see it in the cave?
I did see it. I saw something, but you told me it was all a figment of imagination.
I covered it. That's
Yeah, I felt that. So when I did this, I did see.
Also, I felt more comfortable being in the sun, so. Yeah, because I could feel him walking next to me.
Oh, you driving up here.
Wouldn't that have been so funny? Oh, my butt? Yeah, I was on real slow. I should have warned you guys, like, I was just slow, because I just did not want to.
On a scale real quick. That's a bright scale. Sorry.
We good?
You're good. Come on up.
And your glasses are going to stay on your face?
Yep.
Anything in your pockets,
You're all
anything you
good.
do,
Hop
take
off.
with you. If it falls into the canyon with the bears, we can't go down and get it for you, okay?
Right.